we need to evaluate the closed integral for this integrand where C is a circle mod z minus 1 equal to 1. So this is the given integral and the circle is mod z minus 1 equal to 1. Let this be the point 1, z equal to 1, and it is having the radius 1. This radius is 1. It is centered at 1, right? So the center is 1, the radius is also 1. This be the origin and this is your C curve. Now we need to find the points where this integrand is not analytic, or the points where the function is not defined, or the singular points where the function is not defined. So the integrand has singularities where this denominator is equal to 0. So to find the singular points, we always take the denominator to be equal to 0. So this is z minus 1 into z plus 1 equals to 0, and we are getting the points minus 1 and 1. Which of these two points lies inside the circle? Yes, only the point 1 is lying inside the circle. Z equal to negative 1 lies outside the circle. So let's write this. The given circle, that is mod z minus 1 equal to 1, includes the point z equal to 1, and we take fz to be equal to the numerator, that is 3z square plus z. And this function is analytic function. Analytic function means which is differentiable everywhere. Its derivative exists at all points inside this region. Let's write the given integral, but before that, we have to make the partial fractions for this. This can be written as 1 divided by z minus 1 into z plus 1. And then, to make the partial fractions, just write here z minus 1 and here z plus 1. In considering this denominator, hide this from here, and putting this to be equal to 0, we get z equal to 1. Put this value over here. So we get 1 divided by 2. Similarly, when considering this denominator, just hide this from here, and when putting this to be equal to 0, we get z equal to negative 1. So put this value over here. We get minus 1 by 2. We can also take this minus sign over here and taking 1 by 2 outside. That is 1 divided by z minus 1 minus 1 divided by z plus 1. Also writing the left hand side. The closed integral over C, 3z square plus z divided by z square minus 1 dz is equal to 1/2 of the closed integral 3z square plus z divided by z minus 1 dz minus 1/2 of the closed integral over C, 3z square plus z divided by z plus 1 dz. So now applying the Cauchy's integral formula for these two integrals. And the format is the closed integral of f of z divided by z minus z naught over the circle C is equal to 2 pi iota f of z naught. Right? Z naught is the point which is lying inside the circle. Very fine, this is the Cauchy's integral formula. Now here z naught point is 1. And here z naught point is negative 1. So z naught is negative 1, which is not lying inside the circle. And z naught equal to 1 is lying inside the circle. So this formula is for the points which are lying inside the circle. Otherwise, the points which are lying outside the circle, by Cauchy's integral formula, this integral is equal to 0. So let's apply the Cauchy's integral formula now. By Cauchy's integral formula, the given integral is equal to, for this integral we are having the formula to be 2 pi iota into f of z naught, that is 1. So writing this 1/2 of 2 pi iota into f of 1 minus 1/2 of, okay, because the point z naught equal to negative 1 lies outside the circle, so by Cauchy's integral formula, this integral is 0. So this is 0 and this is equal to, cancelling this 2 with this, so this is pi iota f of 1 and this is 0. What is f of 1? For f of z, which is taken to be as a numerator, so f of 1 becomes 3 1 square plus 1, that is equal to 4. Yes. So writing here pi iota into 4. So which is equal to 4 pi iota. So this is a required value for this integral for this circle. So the answer to this integral is 4 pi iota. Okay, thank you. Stay blessed.